Okay, here we are. We're going to do the MAvic Mini with the Rainbow app. We do a follow me down to the lake. See what happens. Let's get this controller one doing here. So we're going to do a screenshot. The mic on the tablet's not that great, so I'm doing double duty, I guess. So we've got Rainbow. I don't know why it didn't show up. Rainbow. Yes, okay, whatever that is. Sure. Fly.
Connect the aircraft.
I am. Good to go. 12, 13 satellites. Okay. It says we got a lot, but that battery on the controller is going to go down real fast. Okay, menu here. And we're going to go 1080p. 1080p 30. Okay, we're good. Okay, that's where the blue dot says we are, but we're not. The blue dot is up by where the aircraft is. So that's not good. So what do we have to do to change that? Stop it and start again. Oh, there's, wow. That blue dot is everywhere, isn't it? Where's the blue dot now? I don't think so. I don't think so. So we're gonna have to turn this off and start it again. Unbelievable. So luckily I had my Galaxy S9 Plus with me. So we plugged that in, and lo and behold. Okay, we're back now. We're starting with the phone instead of the tablet, and it's marked as bang on where we are. So it's the tablet's problem. So we're just going to get, we've got the screen recorder going on both, I believe. Yep, screen recorder is going on both. And I'm just going to put in my 1080p at 30. That's good. There we go. So let's get it up in the air. And we've got 63%. We're going to go down to the lake. Okay, we're going to do a follow me. So let's get this up. We have 5 free flights left. Okay, let's get this up and going. It should be good. I'm gonna go up. We're up 40 meters. 35 should be good. Okay, putting the camera down. And where is the truck? We're going to back it off a little bit to get some space. Okay, so let's back it off where this is 2.2. 7. About there. Let's see what happens there. Okay, follow. Let's get into that. Let's go to follow. Okay, height's good. 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 Okay, so I want the height at 34. Shooting 2 meters off the ground. Sure. Then we want to go follow the target, joystick's off, and the home point, it can come back here, whatever it wants. Okay, great. Let's close and start the video. Starting the video and go. Emergency, everything is okay. Take off, shooting point 2, home point toward target, start. Okay, let's see what happens. Start mission. Is it following me to the driveway? Down the driveway, is it? Let's see what happens when we turn the corner. And we're just driving slowly. Here we go, follows the target pretty good. We're going 25 kilometers an hour. We're going to make a left turn here. We're going to go and make a left turn here. We made it up to 30 kilometers an hour and then we stopped. We're going to make a left turn. And see where it goes from here. Is it doing anything? Oh, it looks like it. Now the trick is we're going to go down into a gully. So is it going to go down the hill? Is the altitude going to change? Probably not. We're headed towards the lake here. So where is the drone? Oh, there it is. Okay. There we are. A little, almost out of the picture, but yeah, there. Can we move the picture up? Yeah, move the picture up a bit. And we're down at the lake. Okay, there we go. We're going to park the truck, turn that off, and we're going to stop the mission. Terminate the mission. So let's see where we're here in FPV mode. FPV mode? Let's have a look outside and see where it is. Let's bring that camera up. And we're down here. Let's go have a look. Let's have a look at, this is where we're at. There we are. Did pretty good. So my tablet has a horrible GPS in it. That's the problem with that one. Okay, so we're just gonna have a little fly around here. And the MAvic Mini, it's a beautiful flyer. We'll go to the middle here. We're gonna come down. We're going to turn around. We've got 46% left on that. That's doing pretty good. So let's come down. 30. And it almost should be above me. So where would 0 be? So let's turn around. Should be just about there. Okay, come forward. There it is. on the truck. Successful. Well, we know one thing. We know one thing for sure. The tablet's got lousy GPS. Okay, that's all I wanted to do today. Stop that video. And down we go. And I will say, turn this off. I will say, flying the MAvic Mini these last few days with the Rainbow for DJI app, it's been fun. 5 free flights and wink wink nudge nudge, you know how to do that. It's brought new life to the MAvic Mini and a new appreciation, I think, for what drones should be. So we're talking, this is 3 or 3.5 years old or more, and what's coming out now in the other manufacturers doesn't even come close to what the MAvic Mini feels like. It just doesn't. I've got the Hubsan Zeno Mini SE here, and I'm going to take this up now, and I'm really going to compare it to the MAvic Mini because I really like the Hubsan Zeno Mini SE. Okay, stay tuned for that. Maybe I'll put it on here, maybe not, we'll see. Okay, anyway, have a great day. I just spent the last 3 hours or so raking leaves off my property, so I deserved a little rest, so I thought I'd come for a little flight. Okay, see you later.